Follow the steps on how to make a transparent editable text box in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting an image. Create a white rectangle. Press T to insert the text. Make sure the transform controls are active so that it is easy to resize the object. Select and set to align center. Select the rectangle and lower the opacity slightly. Select Text, FX, and click Blending Options. You can set it like this. Select and press Ctrl J to duplicate. Then move it down. Double-click to edit text. Select, then set it to align center. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.